single structure.
Auricle.
So, no.
Aorta.
What is auricle? Auricle. It's ear, auricle.
Ventricles.
Yes, so greater
Aorta.
circulation
Aorta.
starts from the left ventricle by aorta. Large blood vessel, large artery of the human body, aorta. Aorta starts from the left ventricle of the heart. Next, aorta gives of many branches which pass to the different organs. Inside the organs and tissues are present microcirculatory structures. Each artery gives of
Many capillaries.
arterioles.
Arterioles.
So first one structure of the micro circulation, arterioles in the tissues, inside the tissues, arterioles. Next, second one, capillaries.
Capillaries.
Capillaries. Third one,
Veins.
Veins.
so after
Venules. Venules.
after arterioles, precapillaries. Next, capillaries. After capillaries, post capillaries, and post capillaries continues with the venules. Venules are fused to form veins. So many veins are fused to form two large veins of the human body, superior and inferior cava veins, which drain into the what chamber of the heart? Into the
Right chamber.
atrium.
Right.
Right atrium.
Atrium.
So, greater or systemic circulation starts from the left ventricle
Ventricle.
and terminates
Right atrium.
the right
Atrium.
atrium by superior and inferior cava veins. Please memorize, it is very important. Lesser circulation, Mr. Ashish. Lesser pulmonary circulation, especially for the oxygenation of blood.
Right. Starts.
Where it starts?
Start from lungs.
Right ventricle.
In
Sir, left
ventricle
atrium.
process
Left
exchange of
atrium. Left
gases.
atrium.
Right
Left atrium.
ventricle to left atrium.
Yeah.
So, lesser circulation starts from the right ventricle by which blood vessel?
Pulmonary.
Aorta, vein.
By
Pulmonary
pulmonary
artery.
trunk. Trunk. So, pulmonary trunk starts from the right ventricle. Next, it passes to the lungs, subdivides into two pulmonary arteries. Arteries gives of many branches inside the lungs. Yes. After oxygenation, venous, arterial blood, because venous blood becomes arterial. Arterial blood flows to the heart through the which blood vessels? Pulmonary veins. So pulmonary veins drained into the left atrium. So lesser circulation starts from the right ventricle by pulmonary trunk and terminates in the left atrium by four pulmonary veins. Four pulmonary veins. So, also can be distinguished, Mr. Ashish, third type of circulation. This type of circulation services the heart itself like an organ, because heart also is an internal organ. Name of this circulation? Cardiac circulation. Cardiac circulation. From the aorta starts two coronary arteries, which supplies the heart itself. So, from the aorta, from the initial part of the aorta, starts two pulmonary arteries, left and right, which supply heart itself. And cardiac veins of the heart, return to the coronary sinus, which drains into the right atrium also, like a superior and inferior cava veins. Cardiac circulation also is very important. And today, initial topic about the heart. Right heart. Latin name of the heart, core. Yes. Core. Core. Real Latin pronunciation, core. Yes. Let's go to the anatomical table. Oh, Mr. Ashish, tell me please about size of your heart. Yes. Yes, it corresponds to the size of the fist. Oh, let's see.
मेरे को जाना
Stand.
है मुझे होता जाना
Ashish, stand next to me. Maybe you'll be very famous cardiologist. Indian cardiologist. So nice. That's very bad heart.
बहुत दिन मुझे स्मेल लेगा
So, guys, firstly, about location of the heart. Ashish, where is situated? Explain me, please. Location of the heart, position of the heart in the human body.
Under the breast.
Oh,
On the left. Under the left.
maybe in your body, Mr. Ashish. No, please, Ashish, try. How situated in the thoracic cavity?
On the left. Median side of
In the mediastinum. Remember, please, heart is main organ of the mediastinum. So, in the mediastinum. So, guys, you can see now a real position of the heart in the thoracic cavity, in the chest, a real position of the heart. So, heart, like an organ, consists of base. You can see now base of the heart. Base. Base. Latin name basis cordis, base of the heart. Second one part of the heart, tip of the heart. Apex cordis, this one, tip of the heart. Tip of the heart directs downward, downward, forward, and to the left. Downward, forward, and to the left. Tip of the heart. So, base, tip, very simple. Only two main parts can be distinguished. Next, surfaces of the heart. Which surface you can see now? What surface you can see now? It's anterior surface, but it has specific name. Sternocostal. Yes, facies sternocostalis. Why? Because facies sternocostalis. Why is it called facies sternocostalis? Yes, because it contacts with the inner surface of the breastbone and true ribs, cartilage of the true ribs. Facies sternocostalis, this one. Name of this surface.
Near the above the liver.
Holy.
इधर क्या है?
Diaphragmatic surface. Inferior or diaphragmatic surface. Yes, because it contacts with the diaphragm. My hand now, like a diaphragm. So, diaphragmatic surface. Only through the diaphragm, inferior surface of the heart contacts with the left lobe of the liver. So, remember please, cardiac depression on the superior surface of the left lobe of the liver. Very simple. So, sternocostal surface, diaphragmatic surface, and two lateral surfaces or borders, which are called pulmonary, because contacts with the corresponding lungs. Yes, left and right, pulmonary surfaces or pulmonary borders of the heart. Very simple. Now about grooves of the heart. So guys, first one groove is coronary groove. Coronary groove. You can see now coronary groove of the heart. Coronary groove of the heart. Sulcus coronarius. Anteriorly, it passes behind the large blood vessels. Oh, this one, coronary groove of the heart. On the diaphragmatic surface, this one, coronary groove of the heart. So, first one, groove, coronary, especially for the blood vessels, for the arteries and veins. Second one, groove, guys, look. Anterior interventricular groove. Anterior interventricular groove. Sulcus interventricularis anterior. This one, it passes between the both ventricles, left and right, to the tip of the heart. To the tip of the heart. Last one groove. Look, posterior interventricular groove. It passes on the diaphragmatic surface, also to the tip of the heart, between the left and right ventricles. So, in the region of the tip of the heart, both grooves, anterior, anteroventricular, and posterior, are fused to form notch. Incisura apicis cordis, notch of the tip of the heart. Incisura apicis cordis. This one. Incisura apicis cordis. So you must know three grooves only: coronary, anterior interventricular, posterior interventricular. Very simple. Right now about chambers of the heart, Mr. Ashish. How many chambers in the human heart? 4 chambers. Concretely.
Sir, right.
Wait.
Sorry,
Wait.
left and right.
Left and right what?
क्या left
Left and right.
left auricle and atrium.
Why auricle?
Sorry, left atrium and left.
Wait. So two atriums, left and right.
Left and right.
Left atrium, right atrium, and two ventricles, left and right also. So, Mr. Ashish, between the both atria, between the both ventricles is interatrial septum, interventricular septum. In the normal situation, venous and arterial blood do not mix, of course. So, first one about right half of the heart, which is called venous heart, because right atrium and right ventricle both contain venous blood. So, right atrium. A Latin name, atrium dextrum. Very simple. Guys, look. So, you can see now both atria, right and left. And right now, you can see only right atrium. Right atrium. Atrium dextrum. Directly before your eyes. Is cube-shaped, cuboid-shaped, square-shaped, and has openings. How many openings can be distinguished in the right atrium?
No.
Three. First one opening, guys, look. Opening of the superior cava vein, because superior cava vein drains into the right atrium. It collects venous blood from the organs of the head and neck, from the upper part of the body, yes, and drains into the right atrium. So you can see now superior cava vein itself, and opening of the superior cava vein, look. It drains into the right atrium. Second opening, look. Opening of the inferior vena cava, inferior cava vein. It collects venous blood from the another parts of the human body, from the lower parts of the human body, passes upward and drains into the right atrium also. So, opening of the superior and opening of the inferior cava vein. Very simple. Oh, look, Mr. Ashish, for you especially also. Oh, this one superior cava vein, inferior absent here. So, and last one opening, third one opening, yes, right atrioventricular opening, which connects right atrium with the right ventricle. My forceps now inside the right atrioventricular opening. Very simple. Next, so 3 openings. Between the right and left atria is interatrial septum. Interatrial septum. Guys, you can see now interatrial septum. On the interatrial septum is round-shaped depression. Look, round-shaped depression. Name of this round-shaped depression, fossa ovalis. Oval depression, fossa ovalis. Fossa ovalis. In the fetal period, this fossa was opening in the fetal period. Fossa ovalis. You can see now. Fossa ovalis. Next, right atrium has accessory cavity, which is called right auricle, because it's ear-shaped, auricle-shaped. Right auricle. Auricula dextra. Right auricle is accessory cavity of the right atrium. So, guys, you can see now inner surface of the right auricle. Look, inner surface of the right atrium is absolutely smooth. Inner surface of the auricle contains muscles, which are called pectinati muscles. Musculi pectinati. Pectinati muscles. Only in the region of the right auricle. Pectinati muscles, you must know. Next, between
Its function?
function.
Collection of more blood.
During contraction, pectinati muscles, blood which occupies this cavity of the right auricle flows into the right atrium. So, pectinati muscles. Next, guys, between the opening of the superior and opening of the inferior cava vein is tubercle here in the wall of the right atrium. Name of this tubercle, intervenous tubercle. Intervenous tubercle. Tuberculum intervenosum. Tuberculum intervenosum. Intervenous tubercle. So it was all information about the right atrium. Very simple. Very. Right ventricle. You can see now right ventricle, cavity of the right ventricle. Latin name ventriculus. dexter, ventriculus dexter. It also has, it's prismatic shaped or pyramidal shaped, prismatic shaped. It has openings. How many openings? Only two. Only two. First one, also right atrioventricular opening for communication with the right atrium. And second one, I told you about it today.
To the lungs,
Name.
pulmonary
Opening of the pulmonary trunk, because pulmonary trunk starts from the right
ventricle.
ventricle. Look, my forceps now inside the opening of the pulmonary trunk, and this one pulmonary trunk itself.
Yes.
Pulmonary trunk, truncus pulmonalis. Truncus pulmonalis, yes. Tell me please guys, pulmonary trunk, it's artery or vein?
It's a vein.
Artery.
Pulmonary.
Artery.
Pulmonary trunk, it is the artery.
Yes, sir.
But which type of the blood flows through the pulmonary trunk? Venous blood. Venous blood. It is the artery. But through the pulmonary trunk flows artery, venous blood. Venous blood. You must know this information. So pulmonary trunk, two openings only. So guys, pulmonary trunk has valve. Valve. You can see now valve of the pulmonary trunk. Valve of the pulmonary trunk, Latin name, valva trunci pulmonalis. Valva trunci pulmonalis consists of three semi-lunar cusps. Semi-lunar cusps, like a pockets. Like a pockets, like a three pockets. Three pockets. Left, right, and anterior. Look. Right, what this one? Right pocket, right, semilunar cusp, left and anterior. Look, anterior.
Yes, sir.
Anterior, left, right, and anterior. Tell me please about action. Valve of the pulmonary trunk.
Prevent the
Why?
backflow of blood.
Prevent the backflow
Yes,
of the blood.
it prevents return of
Venous
blood,
blood.
venous blood into the right atrium during systole or during diastole. During diastole, of course, during diastole. Because contraction of the cardiac musculature is called systole, relaxation diastole. During diastole, it prevents return of the blood into the cavity of the right ventricle. Very simple. So, pulmonary trunk, you can see now itself also pulmonary trunk.
Yes, sir.
It's not cut. Pulmonary trunk and valve of the pulmonary trunk, which consists of three semi-lunar cusps. Next, guys, inside the right atrioventricular opening also is a valve,
Yes, sir.
tricuspidal valve, valva tricuspidalis, because it consists of three cusps. Yes, tricuspidal or right atrioventricular valve. So, where is? Look, you can see now directly before your eyes, right or tricuspidal valve. This one directly before your eyes. It consists of three cusps. Which cusps can be distinguished? Look, guys. Anterior, posterior, and this one septal, anterior. This. Posterior, septal, cuspis anterior, cuspis posterior, cuspis septalis. Action of this one. It also prevents the return of blood.
During systole.
Yes,
Opening.
into the cavity of the right
Right
atrium
atrium.
during systole, during contraction of cardiac musculature. So, tricuspidal valve. So, guys, inside the cavity of the right ventricle are papillary muscles. You can see now papillary muscles. Common number 3. Papillary muscles, anterior, posterior, septal. Anterior, posterior, septal. Guys, between the tip of papillary muscle and cusp of tricuspidal valve, you can see now tendinous cords, corda tendinea, tendinous cords, corda tendinea, support cusps of tricuspidal valve, especially for the support. So, papillary muscles, 3, common number 3, and corda tendinea. So, inner surface of the right ventricle is not smooth. you can see now many projections,
projections, yeah.
which are called trabecular carne. Trabecular carne. Trabecular carne. Those all information about right atrium, right ventricle. Very simple.
So what's the use of this trabecular column?
Trabecular carne. Trabecular carne protects wall of the right ventricle. Trabecular carne. Very simple. Left half of the heart. Also can be distinguished, Mr. Ashish, left atrium and left ventricle. You can see now left atrium first. This one? Left atrium. Also cube shaped. How many openings? Five. First one is very simple. First one opening. Left atrioventricular, which communicates left atrium with the left ventricle. Left atrioventricular. And 4 openings of pulmonary veins.
Pulmonary veins.
Pulmonary veins. You can see now 4 pulmonary veins. 2 left pulmonary veins, 2 right pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins drains into the left atrium. And which type of blood flows through the pulmonary veins?
Pure blood.
So, arterial blood,
Arterial blood.
arterial oxygenated blood. Yes, very nice. 5 openings. So, guys, left ventricle also has auricle, like a right. You can see now auricle of the right
Yes, sir.
atrium, auricle of the left atrium, auricle. Inside the auricle also pectinati muscles. Pectinati muscles, very simple. Left ventricle, oh, this one. It has also 2 openings.
Yes, sir.
First one, left atrioventricular, and second one, main opening of the aorta, because main artery of the human body and large artery of the human body, aorta, starts from the left ventricle. My forceps now inside the aorta orifice, aorta opening of the left ventricle. Inside, yes, my forceps now inside the aorta. Inside the aorta. So, opening of the aorta and left atrioventricular opening. In the left atrioventricular opening is valve, also valve. Yes, bicuspidal. Second name mitral. Mitral. It consists of 2 cusps,
Hospital.
anterior and posterior only. Anterior and posterior. Look, guys, this one papillary muscle. This one anterior cusp. Oh, this one. Oh, this one anterior. And this one. And this one posterior cusp. Anterior, posterior cusp. Wait, maybe here. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, present, of course, also, look. Left ventricle, you can see now. And bicuspidal valve, anterior cusp. Wait, this one, between the branches of my forceps. And posterior cusp, behind the anterior, posterior cusp. My forceps now between the both cusps, anterior and posterior, identical. So, action of this.
Protection prevent black
Also, yes,
During
yes,
diastole.
during diastole, during diastole, very nice. Guys, aorta also has valve.
Yes, sir.
Valva of the aorta. Look, absent. Absent. Maybe here. No, aorta present here. This one aorta. You can see now. Oh, valve of the aorta. It also consists of 3 semilunar cusps. 3 valvular semilunaris, like a valve of the pulmonary trunk. But left, right, and posterior. Because, guys, because aorta is situated behind the pulmonary trunk. So also left,
Right and
wait, oh, this. Left, right, posterior. Left, right, posterior. Action also prevents return of blood during diastole of the left ventricle. Very nice. So aorta valve, you can see now. In the inside the left ventricle, also papillary muscles are present. Or papillary muscles. Papillary muscles, very big papillary muscles. Between the cusps of mitral valve and papillary muscle also are chordae tendineae. Tendineae threads, especially for the support cusps of the bicuspidal valve. Very simple. And on the inner surface you can see now many trabecular carne. Trabecular carne also.
Protection of the
Yes, for protection of the wound. So, guys, it was all short information about chambers of the heart. It's very simple. Now break for me. I come soon, wait for me. Ashish!